The last message. Before you scroll, listen to this. This is not just a story. This is a simple English story that can change how you feel. Everyone in the city knew Alex. Not because he was famous, but because he was always alone. Every day he sat on the same bench. He watched people laugh. He checked his phone. No messages. No calls. Once, Alex had big dreams, but life was heavy. And slowly he stopped believing. One cold evening, he wrote a message. "I'm tired. I don't think anyone needs me." His fingers shook. Then he pressed send to a wrong number. Suddenly, a buzz. "Hey, I don't know you, but I need you to stay." Alex froze. Another message came. "My name is Emma. Today was the worst day of my life." I was going to give up too. Alex sat back down. They talked about fear, about loneliness. Minutes became hours. Then Emma sent one last message. "Thank you. You saved my life tonight." Alex looked at the sky. For the first time in years, he smiled. Because he understood, you don't need to be famous. You don't need to be perfect. Sometimes, just staying alive is how you save someone else. That night, Alex went home. And the next morning, his phone was not empty anymore. Ending. Sometimes you feel invisible, but someone may need you more than you know. If this story touched you, like and subscribe. You are not alone.